What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and I know for a fact that you could have a nicer, brighter smile. Being able to smile confidently is the best feeling in the world. Having to hide your teeth because they're stained or yellow, that's not a good way to live. Everyone notices your smile. Even you, I'm sure you notice other people's smile, right? I know that for me, a girl with a nice smile is just... So why not do everything you can to improve your smile so you can talk, smile, and laugh with confidence that your teeth are gonna look amazing. And as always guys, if you learned something new from this video, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Be part of the notification squad. I always see the comments, I see the lightning emojis from the squad, so thank you guys for being super quick with the comments. To get a nice white smile, here is what you do first, all right? Get some whitening strips. Whitening strips have had the best results for me. It's such an easy option that you can do right at home. And how it works is very simple. It's basically a gel that's pressed against your teeth long enough to give them a white glow. And you can pick up whitening strips at any drugstore or online. I'll leave a link to some of them in the description below so you can go and check them out. I usually go with Crest whitening strips, but there are a bunch of other brands that you can use. And I put mine on before important trips or events, or if I just feel like my teeth are getting a little bit stained. I put them on sometimes at home, in the car when I'm driving somewhere, in an airplane. It doesn't really matter. Leave them on for about an hour or two and that's it. It's super easy, it's affordable, so check the link below to get yours. Number 2 guys, your diet, all right? Something that a lot of people don't know is that there are foods that stain your teeth, making your teeth look darker. I know there's a lot of coffee lovers out there, but this is one of the worst things for your teeth, all right? So if your teeth are stained, maybe slow down on the coffee a little bit. Also, other amazing drinks, unfortunately, like wine, soda, and pretty much anything carbonated is gonna definitely stain your pearly whites. And for all the smokers out there, smoking too many cigarettes will destroy your teeth. Be super careful here. And real talk, all right, real talk. If you're still smoking cigarettes, it's time to let go. Find a way to get over that bad habit so that you can not only have a nice smile, but be healthier, have more energy, and live longer. Number 3, whitening mouthwash. Whitening mouthwash reduces gum disease, helps fight plaque, freshens your breath, and it whitens your teeth. It's like magic. Try to use mouthwash twice a day for about 30 to 60 seconds and just move the liquid around your teeth, in between them. Try to get as many little areas as possible to remove all of those stains. Pro tip for you guys, if you have sensitive teeth, go for a whitening mouthwash that doesn't have alcohol. That way you can help avoid that burning sensation in your mouth. Personally, I kind of like that sensation, but I don't have sensitive teeth, so everyone is different. I'm gonna leave some options for you guys listed below. Next up, we have some whitening toothpaste, and I'm gonna confess to something here, all right? I am literally addicted to brushing my teeth. I'm addicted to that fresh, minty feeling, to that taste. There's just nothing better. There's nothing like it for me. It's such a nice, clean feeling, all right? So I brush my teeth more often than the average person, but you should be brushing your teeth at least 2 to 3 times a day for about 2 minutes each time. That's gonna make sure that you're removing all of that buildup, and if you're using whitening toothpaste, then 2 minutes is just enough time to have that whitening effect on your teeth. So basically what I'm saying here is that if you use whitening toothpaste, whitening mouthwash, and the strips, your teeth will be nice and white in a matter of a few weeks. You're gonna go from yellow stained teeth to awesome pearly whites just by changing these little habits and products. It's actually super easy. But if you actually wanna get it done in 1 or 2 days, you could. Just get them professionally whitened at a dentist. The thing is, don't pick any random dentist though. Make sure to check reviews, compare prices, and get all of that information before anything else. And remember that this usually isn't covered by health insurance because it's a cosmetic thing, which means you might spend about $500 to get them whitened at a dentist. But hey, I can tell you that it's worth it, all right? Nothing like feeling confident enough to smile big, all right, with your bright white teeth. And if you want something that's still gonna give you fast results, but is less expensive, then you can just get an at-home teeth whitening kit. There are 1,000, a million of those kits that you can buy online that will whiten your teeth pretty quickly. The most important thing here is read the reviews. Don't buy anything without doing your research. Definitely read everything about that company, about the results. Watch YouTube videos about it. I know some brands aren't that good, all right, and you're just gonna waste your money. So please, do your homework before committing. And if you learned something from this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell below, guys. YouTube has this thing, you know, it likes to hide videos, but if you hit the bell, then we make sure that doesn't happen around here and you get notified and you become part of the notification squad. Guys, I'm also on Instagram. My Instagram is @AlexCosta and I post there almost every day. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you again very soon. Peace.